Good morning. Are you steamed up? There, is that better? Hello, it's Nancy today. It's been snowing all night. I have my hat. Like my hat? Anyway, we have snow. You like all my trees? My little forest out here. Look at how you can see the hills so much easier. So much more easily. Sure is different when it snows. Looks like it's melting too. What is the temperature here? I need to put this where I can see it. And this tree is just a little bit into that bird feeder. How's this bird feeder? That's almost empty too. Whoa, look at this rain chain. It's gonna break the gutter, you know. Soon it'll have this will be completed. Looks like that one broke. That one broke too. Sorry, little guy. You can really see the valley now, eh? See where it starts and stops? See how the snow takes care of all the mess? Makes it look so much better. This should go here where I can see it. Let's go fill it up with birdseed. Got a lot to fill up with birdseed. Maybe we should just bird the birdseed here. Too bad I can't see my rain chains from my chair so well. And this is in the way. I don't want this there either. This is to hold the door in place. Look at all the water that filled it up. Those are my soap molds. This needs to be up a little more. There. Now, that should stay fine. Let's put this over here where birds can sit on it. It's cold out here. My little footsies, my toes, my fingers. Jeepers, don't even know the difference. Feet and toes. And its fingers. Okay, I thought I would take some of these little trees and put them on the porch too. Give the trees more of a place to hide in the winter. Of course, this table is going to get ruined with the snow on it. Could turn this one over, I guess. Well, the snow could fall through it. That one's got the cloth on it, which is a bad idea, of course. That's a real treat. What if I tie it on with this piece of metal? A bit of a bar here. There. have these ice things on the bottom of my shoes because I got these shoes in Georgia, these boots, and they have no traction. We need traction, you know. We need traction. If there's one thing we need, it's a little traction. Yes, I could put it on the table. You are absolutely right. Do any good down there, lying on the ground like that. Make our own little forest here. Because I sit there, I want to see a little forest, you know. Well, that's nice, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Gives all the little birds somewhere to chill out on their way up to the feeders. Because these are going to fall right down. Just like the thermometer. That'll stay for 5 minutes. Now I like that. We can still see a little bit through there. Well, shall we? I know it's a mighty big one, but I can do it. Now, come along, you nice little tree, you. Oh, you're a big tree. Sweeping the ground is what we're really doing. Where should we want it? Let's put it here. I'm gonna have to set you down. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's gonna be too big to stand up. I have to bring it out. Let's turn it over. Or something. You just have to get this end of the beam. Okay. Come forward again. Oops. Come forward. Now. Put it in here. Come up. Not in the way of all the branches. Okay. Oh, that's a little workout. Oopsie. Okay. Now, I have to tie that on before she comes down. Oh, I'm out of breath. I am really not getting my Wheaties. Okay. Let's see what we can do for some wire here. Here are the chickadees. They're happy. And if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it. Okay, so I need a piece of wire, and I have to go somewhere else to get it, don't I? Look at how happy the little chickadees are. This is the one I already tied up with that wire. Hi, chickadees. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee. Chickadee dee 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 dee. Chickadee dee 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 dee. Chickadee 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 dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Chickadee dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Oh, right. Why come to my hand when you have all that awesome stuff at hand already? I know, they're empty. Isn't that a sad moment? Let's go get some food for you guys. I will take this one. And we will take this one. Y'all can fight over that other one. Except you don't fight, I know. Look at how I swept the snow. Isn't that wonderful? I don't have to shovel it, it's already been swept. Oops, now we have a tree fell down. That's a nice little tree. I think I'll use that one inside. We didn't really get a lot of snow. I mean, on the grand continuum of amounts of snow, this is a very small amount. Isn't that a nice little area? I have another one to put up right here. I can't find my camera that was on my head. I imagine it's in there somewhere. In the giant mess. Now, I think I'll just leave this in the car. Maybe I shouldn't. It'll make it safest in the car, and it'll give me traction too. That's probably where they tied it. That's probably the short end is probably where they started it. I have to put you down because I have to see what I'm doing and use both hands to untie this little beginning thing. Huh, it doesn't look like it's gonna just open up, does it? Huh. No, this is knotted. But they always started on the end, so it's gotta go back just a little bit to get beyond the knots. There! Okay. Now let's get the feeder down here. you're not going to be able to see this very well because you're stuck over there. Uh-oh, I'm spilling. Some birds will be happy out here on the driveway. That one's full. So let's get this one. And fill this one up. Oh, this must have been a suet feeder, but I put wire on the inside of it. Okay, that is full enough. Let's take these back to the feeder and bring the other one and fill it up. What do you say, folks? Help, I'm upside down. See, snow covers up my mess. Yay! Somebody called me today, Nasty Nancy today, because I picked up a knife off the floor and used it. Ooh, nasty, nasty. Okay, now then. Let's put you up. Oh no, I can't see you from there. I don't want to put it there anymore. Okay. I know. You are so excited, aren't you? Food again. There we are. Food, real food. Let's put this one up here. I have to set you down again. You're sitting on the glass ball. Okay. You think they're too close, but they're really not. Oh, that one I can't open. Huh. Oh, well, that'll stay the way it is then. And there we have it. This needs a new handle, don't you think? I agree totally. I shall take it inside and new handle it. See all the lovely willa? Amazing. So I'm going to just put it out here until I feel like doing it. And this is going to be our tree in the house. Because the other one was way too big. But not yet. Do we have enough battery here to go for a walk? See how much we have. We have a bunch.